Chapter 9, the monetary system. Question 1. Which of the following are money in the Malaysian economic which are not? Explain your answer by discussing each of the three functions of a money. Number A is a Malaysian ringgit, number B is a Mexican pesos, C a Picasso painting, and D a plastic credit card. So A is Malaysian ringgit. Malaysia is a medium of exchange. The Malaysian ringgit Malaysia is widely accepted for the transaction within Malaysia, making it a medium of exchange. Store of a value. The ringgit can be saved and retrieved in future, retaining its value over time, thus serving as a store of values. Unit of account. Price of goods and service in Malaysia are quoted in ringgit, making it a unit of account. Conclusion. The Malaysia ringgit fulfill a three function of money and it considered money in the Malaysian economy. B. Mexican pesos, medium of exchange. The Mexican pesos is not accepted for transaction in Malaysia, so it does not serve as a medium exchange. Store of value, while it can retain value, is not practical for use in Malaysia. Unit of account. Price in Malaysia are not quoted in Mexican pesos. Conclusion. The Mexican pesos do not fulfill the function of money in the Malaysian economy and is not considered as money. C. A Picasso painting, medium of exchange. A Picasso painting is not used for everyday transaction. Store of value, it can retain and even appreciate in value over time, serving as a store of value. And then unit of account, it is not used to measure or compare the value of other goods and services. Conclusion. While a Picasso painting can be a store of value, it doesn't not function as a medium of exchange or a unit account in the Malaysian economy, so it not considered as money. And D. A plastic credit card, medium of exchange. A credit card facilitates transaction but is not money itself. Is representative of promise to pay. Store of value. A credit card does not store value, it provides access to credit. Unit of account, it used to be measure of the value of goods and servicing directly. Conclusion. A plastic credit card does not fulfill the function of money. It's a tool for accessing money but it's not money itself. In a summary, only the ringgit Malaysia is considered money in the Malaysian economy and it's fulfill all three functions of money. The Mexican pesos, a Picasso painting, and a plastic credit card do not meet this criteria. Question 6. To answer the query about the increase in the total amount of deposit and the money supply when 100 ringgit is deposited in a bank account, we need to understand the concept of the money multiplier in the banking system. Given initial deposit 100 ringgit, reserve ratio is 10%, it's meaning 10 cents. So number 1 is money multiplier. 2. Total increase in deposit. 3. Increase in money supply. And the conclusion is total amount of deposit. The total amount of deposit in the banking system increased by 1,000. Money supply increased. The money supply increased by 900 ringgit. This calculation aligned with the principle of the money multiplier effect in a fractional reserve banking, where banks can lead out a portion of deposit, leading to be multiple effect on the total money supply. Question 11. Analysis of the economy of a modeling with 2000 RM1 bills. Let's address the question based on the provided information and the principle of money supply and banking reserve. A. If a people hold a money as a currency, what is the quantity of money? Quantity of money. If all 2000 RM1 bills are held as currency, the total quantity of money is simply the sum of the one bill. 2. Quantity of money, 2000 ringgit, 1 bills is equivalent to 2000. B. If people hold a money as a current account deposit and banks maintain 100 ringgit percent reserve, what is the quantity of money? 1. Quantity of money with 100% reserve. Banks do not lend out any of the deposit. Therefore, the total quantity of money remains as the same as total deposit. 2. Quantity of money, 2000 ringgit, 1 bills equivalent dengan 2000 ringgit. If people hold equal amount of currency and current account deposit and bank maintain 100% reserve, what is the quantity of money? Quantity of money, if the money is split equally, half is held as currency and half as deposit. With 100% reserve, the total quantity of money is the sum of current and deposit. A. If people hold money as current account deposit and banks maintain a reserve ratio of 10%, what is the quantity of money? Money multiplier, the money multiplier with a 10% reserve ratio is 1 reserve ratio equivalent 1 10 cent equivalent dengan 10. Quantity of money, if all money is deposit as the bank can lend out 90% of deposit, the total quantity of money is quantity of money initial deposit times money multiplier equivalent 2000 times 10 equivalent in 2000 20,000. If people hold equal amount of currency and current account deposit and